In this video, I'm going to break down the exact app we are going to be copying, build the app with AI, and publish it to the App Store and the Play Store, all in one single video. The first step is to come up with a detailed prompt that we are going to use on services like Bolt.new, Lovable, or any other app generator. So this prompt needs to be very specific. It needs to have more detail on what exactly we are trying to accomplish. I'm going to be going over this prompt right here. I'll be including this prompt in the description as well. I'm going to be telling the AI to build a mobile app using React Native. It should be clean, minimal, and premium. And I'm going to give the app a name. I'm going to tell it not to have a backend at all. And I'm going to have a placeholder for an OpenAI API key that we will replace and put in the application, and I'm going to include the features of the application. So we're going to have a splash screen, which should be premium and modern, and we're going to have a main screen which has ability for the user to upload their screenshots or to upload a text, and then we're going to have an output display section as well. So the reason why we have this detailed prompt, as you know, is because AI is like a child. It is very stupid if you tell it less details. The more details you give to a model, the better it performs. Hence why we have all this detail to create an app. So the next step is to take this prompt and put it on Bolt.new. In the second step, we are going to paste that exact prompt on Bolt.new and watch it generate the entire application for us. After Bolt.new is generated into application for us, we are going to have to look at the code and see if it works, see if it runs, and at times we might even have to have some improvisations on the code base. So after we are satisfied with the code that we got from Bolt.new, we are going to click over here and export and then download the code base and save the code base to our local directory. In the next step, we are going to open our project on any IDE, preferably Cursor or Visual Studio Code. Make sure the IDE has Copilot installed or any AI generating feature, which will make this process much faster for you. So we're going to run npm install. Then after running npm install, we're going to run npm run dev. And then we are going to open the app on the iOS. So here's how our app looks right now. As you can see, it looks amazing, it looks beautiful, and we have a dark mode and a light mode on. All right, so what I already did was I went to OpenAI and I created a new OpenAI key, and then I pasted it on the config.js file. Obviously, I can't show you guys the key right now, but this is something that you also need to be doing on your side. So now we're going to be testing the application. I downloaded a few screenshots to be able to test the application. So when you click on there, it's going to first check if this screenshot is a chat, and then you're going to have to put in a tone. When I wanted confident, flirty, or chill. I'm going to go with flirty. Res, and here are the outputs for this exact screenshot. So just going over this exact screenshot over here. This is the screenshot that I just used on our app. So somebody asks, we're asking the person, do you want to hang out with me? And then they're responding, love to, fine, and when. And our application responds with, how about this weekend? I promise to make it your wow. So that's a bit more flirty. I can't wait to see you. Let's plan for tomorrow if that works for me. There's a bit more flirty. If you want to go for confidence, we can just click on that. Network request failed. Let's try one more time. There we go. Let's make it happen soon. I'm looking forward to it. That's a bit more confident. I'm very happy with the app and how it looks, and I think it's ready to be uploaded to the App and Play Store. Now we're going to be uploading our app to the App Store and the Play Store. So the assets that we're going to be need for this process is we're going to need a website for our app that needs to have a privacy page, a terms and condition page, and a support page. So these are needed for both app stores. The iOS store particularly needs the support page and the privacy page. And then the Google Play Store just normally needs the privacy page with the privacy policy. And then what we're going to need is we're going to need screenshots for our application. So screenshots for both, and we're going to need screenshots for iPad as well. And the third thing that we're going to need is we're going to need our app logo. So we're going to have to design an app logo from scratch on Canva for this section as well. Okay, this is the App Store Connect website, and this website is where you upload your applications. So once you have your build for the iPhone app or the iPad app, you can just like upload it, and then you can create a new app over here. So we're just gonna go to app information, and then we're gonna our name, subtitle. We're gonna have a summary over here, and for the summary, for the subtitle, we are going to say it over here. Dating made easier. How about that? And then for the primary category, we are going to choose a dating. Should be a dating over here. Developer tools, entertainment, lifestyle. There's no relationships. I'm gonna go with entertainment. Okay, let's go with lifestyle. And then for the second one, let's go with entertainment. Then we're gonna have to set up content right. Nope, no content. And then we're gonna have to set up our age over here. You can just say no for most of these things. Then medical treatment, no, 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 no. Graphic content, no violence. And chance based, no, 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 no gambling. And if your app, okay, made for kids, not applicable. Okay, save. And for our doc encryption, okay, let's see, I don't think we need this right now. And we are going to save. And we're going to go to distribution. And for our iPhone screenshots, I already have these screenshots, so I'm going to upload all of them. So I'm going to have to do this for iPad version as well, which is okay. Okay, WS is going to go here. And then upload a screenshot of a dating chat. Maybe we can paste. Yep, this would be cool. Upload. Yep, and yeah, I think this is okay. Promotional text. And then what we're going to do over on promotional text, we are going to ask Cursor to do this for us. Next, we are gonna write the description. Okay, I think this one is okay. Paste their message. Paste their message. Okay, how about add one chance screenshot? No, these is too much. Like, use this with your crush. Use this on your crush. 4. Natural reply ideas and funny confident. Yep, now that sounds better. And we're gonna need the description. Okay, we're gonna copy this and then we're gonna expand this over here. Okay, doesn't matter, just paste. Okay, this is perfect. This is really perfect. And then we're gonna ask cursor for keywords. Please. Here are the keywords: texting, reply, dating, DM first, screenshot, conversation, banter, viz. Okay, I feel like these are okay, but okay. Then for the support URL, what we are gonna have is we're gonna have this over here. So after generating a landing page, I asked Cursor to generate a landing page for me. So this is a landing page right here. And what I did was I already deployed this landing page from another free service. So I used Edge One. You can just try it out, link in the description. And after taking this over here, I can just mess around with it and be like, support. Okay, that's good, that's good. So our support URL is going to be this: support.html. What am I doing? And then that's it. And then marketing URL, we don't need that. Copyright, this is going to be 2026 540 Mercado Labs. Yep, that's it. And routing coverage file, we don't have that for now. We can just gonna save. And that's it for the iPhone. Over Google. So in Google, I uploaded the AAB. Now we're gonna go over to next. And then we are going to click save. Go to overview. Okay, let's see the issue. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna create this page. Include this page. Include a page for this in our landing page. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna have to do this. This is insane. I think I should have just chose, cause yeah, I should have probably maybe changed the age rating. Cause you know what? It is what it is. Let me just do this. Let me just fix this issue. Complete declaration. Yeah, but we kind of do comply. Okay, what I'm gonna need now, I'm gonna just put this over here, and then I'm gonna have to go over there, include this. Okay, the page so we can deploy. Okay, and then let's see. Probably want to deploy another thing. Deploy HTML website online. Okay, now I'm gonna have to watch it. Generate that child safety.html file. It should be easy. Should be easy to do. Okay. Actually, that's cool. Save that. And then upload the files. Okay, when I have to log in. God is on a publish. No, let me just go to Edge On. Edge On was so much better. Okay, now after it's deployed, I am going to, okay, this is it. Child safety. We're gonna copy this. Then we're gonna paste it over here. Okay, let's save. Go to overview. Then let's send these 10 changes for review. And that's it, guys. We have submitted our application. Not yet sent for review. Okay. Okay, still running checks. Okay. Okay, for the App Store, for this over here, I'm gonna go to simulator, and we are gonna open an iPad Pro 13. This is crazy. Okay, so for the iPad, that's just it. I'm just gonna put the iPad screenshots in over here, and then after I put them in there, that's it. I just had the app for review, and that's it for this video. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Cheers.